Greetings, humans. My name is Garrett, aka G Money. I am a technical writer on the documentation team here at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. Today, I'm going to show you how to access the terminal interface. In cPanel and WHM version 72, we added the terminal interface to both cPanel and WHM. It is now easier than ever to access an in-browser terminal application for direct command line access within a cPanel and WHM session. To access the terminal interface, first log into WHM. Navigate to the terminal interface. A warning message will appear the first time that you use the terminal. Commands that you enter in this interface can render your server inoperable. We strongly recommend that only users with command line experience use this feature. To continue, click I understand and want to proceed. To start typing, click in the terminal window area. You can also tap from your mobile device. Run a command and the interface will execute as if you were on the command line. Good job. You can access the terminal interface from cPanel as well. Just log into your cPanel account and navigate to the terminal interface. Wow, that's super easy. A couple of notes. Your hosting provider must enable the SSH access and terminal setting in WHM's Feature Manager interface for the terminal interface to appear in cPanel. You must have root access to access the terminal in WHM, and you can access the terminal interface via desktop or mobile device. For more information about cPanel, your hosting platform of choice, visit us at cpanel.com or follow us on Twitter at cPanel. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Good job.